How to fix OneDrive login error 0x8004dec5. 1. Restart your PC and router. 2. Delete cached identities from the registry at hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft/16.0/common/identity. 3. Run Internet Connections and Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 4. Delete the OneDrive cached identities locations. %localapp.a%/Microsoft/1auth and %localapp.a%/Microsoft/identity cache. 5. Delete Microsoft account credentials via Credential Manager. 6. Repair/reset OneDrive.